This is a severely damaged 2015 Audi R8 that has been sitting abandoned for years after a fire. The once beautiful supercar is now covered in soot, rust, and debris. Up close, the 2015 Audi R8 shows heavy fire damage with melted paint and rust spreading across the body panels. The damaged 2015 Audi R8 is carefully transported from the yard to a professional restoration workshop. Inside the workshop, technicians begin a detailed inspection of the 2015 Audi R8 to evaluate every damaged component. The engine bay of the 2015 Audi R8 shows extensive damage from heat and debris that must be cleaned and repaired. The restoration begins with deep cleaning as high-pressure water removes soot and grime from the 2015 Audi R8. Thick foam and careful scrubbing help reveal the true condition of the 2015 Audi R8 beneath the dirt. After washing, the real damage on the 2015 Audi R8 becomes clearly visible. Disassembly begins as mechanics remove wheels and exterior parts from the 2015 Audi R8. The damaged panels of the 2015 Audi R8 are removed so they can be repaired or replaced. The engine of the 2015 Audi R8 is removed to allow detailed cleaning and rebuilding. Rust removal begins as technicians grind corrosion away from the body of the 2015 Audi R8. The body of the 2015 Audi R8 is sanded to prepare it for structural repairs. New metal sections are welded onto the 2015 Audi R8 to restore its damaged frame. The body panels of the 2015 Audi R8 are reshaped to match the original design. Body filler is used to smooth the repaired surfaces of the 2015 Audi R8. The body of the 2015 Audi R8 is carefully sanded again to achieve a flawless finish. The 2015 Audi R8 is now ready for painting inside a controlled paint booth. A primer layer is applied to the 2015 Audi R8 to create the perfect base for paint. The primer stage ensures the paint will bond evenly to the body of the 2015 Audi R8. The color paint restores the iconic look of the 2015 Audi R8. Clear protective coat seals the paint and adds shine to the 2015 Audi R8. Heat curing strengthens the paint finish on the 2015 Audi R8. Polishing reveals a mirror-like shine across the surface of the 2015 Audi R8. The paint finish on the 2015 Audi R8 now looks smooth and flawless. The engine parts of the 2015 Audi R8 are rebuilt and restored to working condition. The restored engine is carefully installed back into the 2015 Audi R8. All engine systems of the 2015 Audi R8 are reconnected and secured. The interior of the 2015 Audi R8 is rebuilt starting with new flooring materials. New seats restore the comfort and luxury of the 2015 Audi R8. Electronic systems and controls return to the interior of the 2015 Audi R8. The windows and windshield are carefully installed on the 2015 Audi R8. The wheels are installed on the 2015 Audi R8, completing the chassis assembly. The restored engine of the 2015 Audi R8 comes to life for the first time. A final cleaning ensures the 2015 Audi R8 looks perfect from every angle. Final detailing enhances the shine and appearance of the 2015 Audi R8. After a complete restoration, the 2015 Audi R8 is ready to return to the road. The transformation of the 2015 Audi R8 is complete. From a burnt shell to a stunning supercar, the 2015 Audi R8 has been brought back to life.